Handling an account review on Shopify can be a straightforward process if you know the steps to follow. This guide will help you navigate through the review efficiently. Step 1. Understand the review process. Familiarize yourself with why Shopify conducts account reviews. They typically assess compliance with their policies, verify account information, and ensure the legitimacy of your business. Step 2. Gather required information. Collect all necessary documents and information that may be requested during the review. This can include proof of identity, business registration, and any relevant financial documents. Step 3. Respond promptly. Once you receive a notification about the review, respond as quickly as possible. Delays in your response can prolong the review process and may lead to account restrictions. Step 4. Provide clear documentation. When submitting your documents, ensure they are clear and legible. Include any explanations or context that may help Shopify understand your situation better. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your information, monitor your email for updates from Shopify. If you do not hear back within the expected timeframe, consider reaching out to their support for clarification. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your account review on Shopify. Stay organized and proactive to ensure a smooth process.